relax, relax. Calm down. It's not what you think, all right? Calm down. As delicate as a flower is, so are our babies, right? So should be the clothes that they put on, all right? So today in studio, we have with us the marketing officer of Peanuts Laundromat, Ciselle Drysdale. Giselle will be telling us a little bit about Peanuts Laundromat and share some tips for caring for our babies' clothes and how to get rid of those hard-on baby stains. My gosh. You know, it's Jesus said you come this morning?
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having
How are
me.
you?
I'm good.
You have a whole heap of things here, some baby clothes all about the place, and we're talking about laundromat,
Yeah.
right? So let's talk about Peanuts Laundromat. How did that come about? Why start it?
Why it started? Okay, so the owner, my best friend Tiffany, she had her daughter, Jamelia, who the laundromat is dedication to. She was premature, and so once we started washing her clothes, we realized that we were going to need to use special products and so forth because she had severe eczema. And that's where the hand washing came about. And we launched that to share with other persons who had the same, wanted the same kind of care for their baby's clothes. So we do hand washing, steaming, and ironing of your children's clothes from age 0 to 5 years old.
So hold on there, Giselle. So I just take out the clothes, I drop them off at Peanuts Laundromat, and you just do the rest of the work.
Well, right now we don't have a physical location,
Okay.
so we actually work in conjunction with Viva Jamaica Courier here, and we come and do your pickup, we launder your clothes, bring them back to you.
All right, and I will tell you specifics like, okay, my child is suffering from eczema or some kind of rash or something like that, and you take that into consideration?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
If you tell us that you have your child has sensitivity to certain products, we will give you an indication of what we use, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, so the big question, I know many Jamaicans are like, why do I need to send my child's clothes to a laundromat when I can just wash them with my own clothes?
Well,
Should we be doing that?
no, you should
Okay.
not, because baby skin are very sensitive. So you don't want to be using even fabric softener on your baby items. Actually,
Really?
a lot of children suffer from eczema because of fabric softener. We're looking to use products that are dye-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. We try to stick to products that are clear and fragrance-free also, that are specially formulated for your baby's clothes.
Nice. Some people may say, boy, that's so expensive.
No, it's not
Okay.
very expensive, but I mean at the cost of making sure that your baby's skin is,
Which will give you the
Right.
medical bills that you don't want in
Exactly.
the first place. But those hard to remove stains, and we know them, they come from all the food that they eat, and babies are not, they're not very careful when they're eating. They don't
True.
think about messing up hands and clothes and stuff. So you have the kind of, soaps, etc. to take those things out?
Yes, we do.
Okay,
That one particularly.
right. So you use those things?
Yes.
Okay.
When we put that in, maybe put that onto your baby's clothes, about 15-20 minutes, you should be good to go. Or you can use we have a stain removing spray that will also spray on it 15-20 minutes. If you're on a budget and you can't afford this kind of these kind of products,
Yeah.
you can also use a bit of regular blue soap and some baking soda.
And baking soda, I was just
Yes.
about to tell you. Right,
For our
baking
next
soda,
15-20
tried,
minutes.
tested, proven.
And you're good to go.
So where can we find you, and what are your opening hours? Can I call you in the middle of the night and say, listen, Giselle, help?
We wish you could, but right now we are open from Friday to Sunday,
Okay.
9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can reach us on Facebook, TikTok, as well as Instagram. All our ads are at Peanuts Laundromat.
Love that, love that. And how has business been, since you decided to
It has
give the
actually
service?
been good. We're
Okay,
just trying
good.
to, get more people to recognize us and know that we are here to take care of your baby items.
Well, congratulations. I think this is a good business as a mother who can relate to always having dirty clothes, because, kids go through the clothes quickly, right?
Yes,
Don't it?
They do. They do.
Okay. And you charge what? By
We charge per load.
per load, okay.
And also, if you just wanted just pressing of your baby's clothes, ironing of baby's clothes, or if you have your baby car seats, your bassinets, your playpens, we also cater to those.
Okay, and we follow you online where?
At Peanuts Laundromat across Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok.
Awesome. Love that. Thank you so much, Giselle. There's always some activity here on Weekend Smile, right? Yep. So we learned something new today, that Peanuts Laundromat is the place to go to for your baby clothes cleaning. Make sure you call them, follow them online as well. Thank you so much, Giselle, for joining us on Weekend Smile. I don't know, I need to look on some more things here so I can learn 2 things so I can go home and be a good person to my, to my child. We'll soon come back.